looking fella, which is from this company Slitinto. It is the Slitinto Bluetooth wireless earbuds. Honestly speaking, I'm actually quite impressed with the sound quality. Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So basically, I would test and review affordable and budget wireless earbud to help you to decide before you hit the buy button. So without further ado, let's get into today's content. Now, the Slitinto has its own Amazon official store. If you head over to its Amazon store, you will see that they offer a range of modern day electronics related products such as wall charger, USB-C charger, charging stations, smart bulbs, and its very own wireless earbuds, which is what we have today. Now, a huge shout out to the company for sending one set over to me to be tested and reviewed. But I want to make a disclaimer. And that is whatever I want to say and share are my own personal thoughts. Slitinto does not have any involvement at all. And this is actually the very first time they're actually watching this video as you. Slitinto wireless earbud retails for around $24 US. The code name is actually F17. It's only available in black color, which is what I have here. Now, it actually uses Type-C charging and it comes with fast pairing. It is actually IPX7 waterproof rated. If you wish to check it out, I'll put the link down in the description below. But before you go and hit the buy button, hold your horses and listen to what I have to say about this earbud. So here are the 5 reasons why you should be getting this Slitinto wireless earbuds. Now, the first reason is actually the design. Now, if you look at the case here, it's actually pretty slick and slim. It only measures around 2.3 inch by 1.7 inch by 0.9 inch. And in fact, it's actually smaller than my Jabra Elite 85T. Now, it takes up very little space in the back. In the front pocket, it does not bulge out a lot. The matte finishing makes it less prone to fingerprints and smudges. Now, on the casing itself, nothing is printed, which gives it an extremely clean look, and that's something I dig a lot. Now, on the front, you will see a long depression and a hole, which is the LED indicator. At the bottom is the USB-C port, and other than that, there is actually nothing else. Now, the lid has a snappy spring, but it is not able to stay open at various angles. The earbud's overall design is somewhat heavily inspired by the Apple AirPods Pro. It has a short stem with the ear tip sticking out, covered by the silicone seal. It has the same matte finishing as the charging case, which means that it is also less prone to fingerprints and smudges. The slated area near the head of the earbud is the multi-touch function area. On the stem itself, you will find the LED indicator, and at the tip of the stem are the charging pins and the talking microphone. The second reason to get it is actually the sound quality. Now, I'm actually quite impressed with these earbuds. Within the earbuds are 10mm drivers, which actually deliver pretty loud audio output. Now, most of the time, I don't see a need to go above 30% when I'm wearing this. Now, since they are in-ear, the silicone seal is able to provide a decent sound isolation, which actually helps to improve the overall audio quality. Now, even at low audio level, the 10mm drivers are actually able to deliver a good range of bass. Most of the time, the bass is just the right amount of presence to give the music an oomph, but it's never overbearing. Vocals and higher tones are brought forward with decent clarity. Instruments, drums, pianos, trumpets are clear and detailed. Even though it doesn't offer a huge soundstage, but it definitely makes instruments come from around you. When you're using the earbuds for like movies, TVs, dramas, and YouTube videos, the sound quality is pretty immersive with decent rumbling bass, and there is actually no sound latency. What's up everyone? Johnny here, welcome to my channel, and in today's video is a little bit special. I'll be doing something which will be putting a lot of the budget ANC wireless earbud to the real test, and that is inside a real aircraft. Now for gaming, the sound latency wasn't very obvious to me. The sound quality is very good, it's very immersive with decent rumbling bass. So I would actually recommend the Slitinto wireless earbuds for casual gaming, but unless if you're the ultra competitive type, then I think it's better to actually stick with wired headphones. Overall, I feel that the sound quality of this earbud actually beats many wireless earbuds which I've actually tested, including those which actually cost almost twice the amount. Now the number 3 reason to actually get this earbuds is actually the battery life. The Slitinto is actually able to last the distance. Now on my own testing, this earbuds was actually able to last close to around 9 hours per charge on music at 100% volume. And when it comes to phone calls, it was actually able to last similarly close to 9 hours. Now when it comes to mixed usage, it lasted around like 7 hours. And that is 4 hours on music playback and 3 hours on phone calls. On top of that, the case actually provides an additional 38 hours of battery life, which actually gives you nearly 50 hours of total usage. Now it's actually pretty amazing just how much stamina the company is actually able to pack into this tiny thing at this price point. And of course, if you need some playtime urgently, it comes with a quick charge of 10 minutes which will actually provide you around 2 hours of playback time. The 4th reason to get this earbuds is actually comfort level. Now, wearing the Slitinto is very straightforward since it's actually shaped like the Apple AirPods Pro. It sits very comfortably in my ears, as you can see here. I've been wearing it since the beginning of this video. The earbuds are actually very light. When I put them on, I don't really feel them at all. And the most important thing is that it doesn't presses against your ear, the outer ear here. So I don't feel any ear fatigues, even if I were to wear them for the entire day, like for 6, 7, 8 hours straight. And the more important part is that it actually doesn't trap any heat. Now, with the packaging, it actually comes with 3 extra sets of silicone seal of different sizing. And this is actually very important so that you can actually mix and match to get the best optimal fit. Now the 5th reason is actually the microphone quality. Now of course, in terms of microphone quality, it's pretty usable indoors, but of course when you're actually outdoors or you're in very noisy environment, the microphone tends to pick up a lot of the background noise and even the wind as well. And I feel that it would be even better if it has some layers of environment noise cancellation features, which some people call ENC. But of course I would say that the microphone is very usable indoors. You want to use it for a Zoom call, you need to do a video conferencing, it's very usable. Alright, so the next segment is actually a series of audio clips to demonstrate the microphone quality of these earphones. This is how your voice will sound like on the iPhone 12 mini. This is how your voice will sound like on the iPhone 12 mini. This is a microphone test on the F17 wireless earbuds. I'm currently indoors, so do let me know what you think of the microphone quality. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Hi everyone, I'm currently walking along a busy road and I am currently doing a microphone test on the F17 wireless earbuds.
Do let me know what you think of the microphone quality. Testing, testing. One, two, three. I'm currently in a coffee shop and I am doing a microphone test on the F17 wireless earbuds. Do let me know what you think of the microphone quality. Testing, testing. One, two, three.
Testing, testing, one, two, three. This is a mic test on the M1 MacBook Air built-in microphone. Testing, testing, one, two, three. This is a mic test on the M1 MacBook Air built-in microphone.
This is a microphone test on the Slitinto F17 wireless earbuds. I'm currently indoors and using it to do a Zoom audio recording. So do let me know what you think of the microphone quality. Testing, testing. One, two, three. Hi everyone. I'm currently walking along a busy road and I'm currently testing the microphone quality on the F17 wireless earbuds. I'm using it to record a WhatsApp audio message. Do let me know what you think of the microphone quality. Testing, testing. One, two, three. I am currently in a coffee shop and I am doing a microphone test on the F17 wireless earbuds. I'm using it to record a WhatsApp audio message. So do let me know what you think of the microphone quality. Testing, testing. One, two, three.
Alright, so at the end of the day, are they worth it? Should you actually consider the Slitinto wireless earbuds or probably get something else? The thing is this is that if you're looking for a pair of wireless earbuds which is slick and slim, they are featherweight, the earbuds are featherweight with very loud audio output and they come with great sound quality, awesome battery life and most importantly, a fast free connection, then I think the Slitinto wireless earbud is a good option in this price category of under $25. And there you have it. This is actually my personal review of the Slitinto wireless earbuds. I hope that my sharing has helped you. If it did, it'd be great if you can actually smash the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, but more importantly, share this content with your friends who are considering to get wireless earbuds under $25. That's all the time we have. My name is Johnny and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!